Hello everyone and welcome to Adi Shakti Cars. Today we are up on the 5th episode of Save the World Saturday. And guess what? We have something very excited planned for the day. Today we will be interacting with our customers. And the topic for interaction would be, what do you think the world is going to look like in the next 30 years? Now the objective of this is to understand how much we know and how much we care about the future of our planet. So let's speak to them, shall we? Yeah? So we have our first customer with us. We have Anmol here. So hi Anmol.
Hi, what's up?
Hi. Doing good, yes. So what do you think the world is going to look like environmentally in the next 30 years?
I think it'll look black, but I hope it looks green. And I see the automotive industry going in the right direction. That is taking the right initiatives to make the earth a better and more livable for the future generations to come. And I hope we all, get on to consciously living life and not take life for granted, because I'm pretty sure, apart from all the marketing people do, we have only one planet and we need to save it. And for all the petrol heads and all of that, I get it. Like, people come from various backgrounds and they love driving fast cars and the ones which make loud noises and all of that. Even I'm one of them. But I feel maybe the EV trend also can give you a lot. Because recently I test drove the Nexon EV, and I think when I stepped on it, I kind of left my past behind. So that's how I felt. And what else? I think that's it.
That's great Anmol. So today we also have one of our staff members, Mr. Prem, who is our customer relationship manager. So let's ask him. So Mr. Prem, what do you think the world is going to look like in the next 30 years, environmentally?
Next 30 years, if you look at it, it's going to be more digital.
Okay.
And technology will grow such a way, we cannot, not only it is very rapid.
Right.
If you see, the people are more concerned about the environment, and people are more concerned about the safety.
Right.
When we look in another 5 years, totally the systems will be totally different, and we have to adopt to such systems.
So
And
digital,
the
yes.
global climate is going to be coming into picture very shortly,
Right.
and people are contributing towards that. Even Tata Motors are working towards the global warming.
Right. Hi sir, can you just tell me your name?
Shivakumar.
So, hi everybody. Today, our first customer, we have Mr. Shivakumar with us. So, hi Mr. Shivakumar. How are you enjoying this?
Yeah, good, great. That's great going.
So, I have one question for you.
Yeah.
So, what do you think the world is going to look like in the next 30 years? Environmentally.
Good.
Good?
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of changes.
That's great.
Yeah.
So, how do you imagine how do you imagine the climate? How do you imagine the roads, the city, the trees, environmentally? How do you think it is?
I think greenery wise, it's going to be changed. It's going to change a lot.
That's great.
And roads has to be changed.
Yes.
So some places roads are worse.
Right.
But I think it takes time.
That's good. That's great imagination.
Yeah.
So one last question.
Yeah, sure.
So now that you see the world going to be so green in the future, what are we doing now to help bring that change in the future? You as a person, as an individual, what do you pledge to do?
I like to plant trees.
That's great.
Usually I do.
Okay.
Even in front of my house in our road,
Uh-huh.
I planted some 2-3 trees.
That's great.
Even people are doing that.
Yes.
People are doing that. And because of this corona, many of them have come back to greenery.
Right.
I see many people are going on a rooftop
Correct.
gardens.
Correct.
They are having their own gardens on the rooftop.
Right.
Going on.
That is actually a great initiative to start,
Yeah.
and I think
Yeah,
you are
yeah,
one of the
sure.
pioneers to do so.
Sure.
So we congratulate you for helping save the world.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's my
Have a
pleasure.
great day.
Thank you.
First, you can start by introducing yourself.
Talk to you or face the camera?
Anyway, you can just talk to me.
Okay, so my name is Akhil.
Hi, Mr. Akhil.
My father,
Hi,
Girish Kumar.
Hi, Mr. Girish. Great to meet you.
And we're basically from Kerala and been staying in Bangalore for around 10 years now.
Wow.
And so if you were to ask me what I see in the next 30 years, of course electric is the way to go.
Right.
And for the future. Not just electric, there could be other sustainable fuels also.
Correct. Yeah.
depends on the innovation of our country and how our younger generation brings up the future of it.
Right,
So
right.
Let
Your thought as well.
let me just add on that one. I am working for an engine manufacturing company.
Okay,
Yeah, it's basically it is for marine and power plant.
okay,
It's a Finnish company. I am working 23 years.
okay, wow.
So and the new initiative is that our engine is already we started
Okay.
and R&D is done.
Okay.
It's running on hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Have you heard about that? No.
Hydrogen fuel. I've heard about hydrogen fuel cell.
Hydrogen fuel. It's almost done. It's
Correct.
under certification of EU.
Okay.
So the engine no need of any fuel. It is
Right.
hydrogen.
Water, basically water. That's great. I mean,
So that's we
who
are.
could imagine world would run on water?
The engine run on hydrogen. It's already done.
Okay.
So we are the. It's going on laboratory in Spain.
Okay.
So that is a new one, and again, advanced version is also going on that one.
Wow. I think, I mean, technology and the mindset you want to change the world is
Yeah.
the way
Before
forward.
when you are talking about engine running in water,
Correct.
people used to laugh.
Correct, exactly. Yeah,
But
I myself
now-
didn't know about it. That it was
So
possible.
we had this technology before,
Okay.
like injecting water a little bit with the furnace oil. That
Right.
was there.
Okay.
But now it is purely on hydrogen.
Wow. Wow. Now, I personally wasn't expecting such a response. I was expecting people to say the world would end in a dark way, that we would not have enough resources for our future. But I was surprised to the fact that they were saying the world would be much greener than what it is today. And I think that is a great start already. And after speaking to our customers and few of our staff, we got to understand that they've already started doing their part to save the world. And I think that's a great initiative already started. And we at Adishakti are doing our part too. We believe that the greatest threat to our planet is a belief that somebody else would save the world. Why not us? Why not we do our part to save the world, right? So we here at Adishakti, we have started this series of Save the World Saturday for the very same objective, to spread awareness and to do small activities, to do our small part to help save the world. I think that is going to create a chain of events that would, engage people and to talk about it and to help save this planet. So thank you so much for watching, and please share this video because I think it is going to make a difference. So thank you for watching, and please like and share and have a great day. Thank you.